Hi again everyone, welcome to the DIY section of my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the strings or change the strings on your bass guitar. Now I've obviously removed the old strings from this particular bass guitar and I'm going to put a brand new set of strings nicely, neatly and correctly. It's a very simple tutorial and let's start. There you go. Here we have a set of Ernie balls, 45 to 105 strings, and yeah, pretty standard set. Get rid of this. I usually start with the E strings. Usually start with the fattest string. In this particular case, because it's a 4-string bass, that will be your E string. Get it through there, over the bridge. Now this is very important. You don't want too many winds around your machine head end here, because that will just make it unneat, not neat, and it's not needed. It will affect the tuning of the string as well. So what I usually do is I cut round about here. So what do we have here? This is like, what is this? 8 centimeters or 10 centimeters. Maybe I should measure this. Let's measure this. Let's measure it. So I usually cut around, so strings down there is correct. So I usually cut around here, which is about, oh wow, that's exactly 9 centimeters from the center of this tuner here. So yeah, 8-9 centimeters from the first tuner, and I cut there. Alright, then what we have usually on bass guitar tuners is a little hole in the middle there. This is not there for no reason. There is a reason for it. So put the string in there and then bend it this way and then do another bend like this. So you create a couple of bends. This will hold the string firmly. Then you start tightening the tuner. What you need to do is make sure as you're winding the string, it winds down from the top. So you need to go underneath the first wind and then keep on winding downwards. That will create a nice angle between the bass guitar nut and the string, which will mean that it will hold it nicely into place, and the sustain of the string will not be affected. So now once this is in place there, right, as you can see we've got a nice couple of winds there. What I recommend doing is at the back of the bridge here, push your string downwards. Push the string down there, so you create a bit of a bend here. A very good friend of mine told me this once, and it actually works, actually. It helps the string settle in more easily. So let's tighten this up. Now, before this makes any sound, we need to put all the other strings in first as well. So next string is the A string, second fattest string. Right, put it in, same thing, all the way in. Right, get it up here. So we are measuring from the second machine head. We're going to measure 10 centimeters. Right, so that's pretty much around here. Yeah, same thing. There we go. Give it a nice cut. Ooh. Yeah. Now, very important for this these last two strings, they need to go underneath this thingy here. That's for a lot of basses that will be the case. Fender basses all have it. So yeah, it will need to go underneath this washer thingy here on your headstock. Now do the same thing here. Push this thing down, create a little bit of a bend, tighten it up. Right, now that all the strings are on, let's tune this beast. Right, there we go. Now that it's all tuned up, let's hear it. Feels lovely. Beautiful. So in the next video I will be sorting out the intonation of this bass. Alright.